Hello, this will be a very quick merienda.
We'll be making Ube Crepe.
Or that's one. Another is
Ube roll.
in one set of ingredients. Very easy. In fact, all of them are here.
We'll be doing first Ube pancake or crepe Ube roll. Welcome back to Channel 1, your growing, cooking and sharing channel. Today we're doing a quick and easy sweet treat at the kitchen. Join me here today and let's have fun and some learning.
And as I prepare the ingredients, I will now even heat my pan here. By the way, in addition to the ingredients, I need oil. So, just to show you, flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, ube flavoring, halaya, and if you have it, that's an option. Instead of the ube flavoring, I have here ube flavoring in powder form. You can use the concentrate or the extract or essence or the real powder. Milk and egg. Very quick. So as I've said, as I talk, the pan is already heating here. So 1 cup of flour. Very nice. Well done, cameraman. This needs a close-up. And sugar al gusto, but I'd like to use 1/4 of sugar. I did not mention, but salt always helps enhance the taste. And every cake, salt enhances the taste. Just a bit. That much. Okay. And the egg. Where's the egg? Just mix it. We don't even have to mix the dry ingredients first. We combine the egg. And by the way, here we are not using. Any what's that? Leavening or baking powder. We mix. It should be not thick. It should still flow. Stop. And of course, in all pastries or cakes, the addition of oil or butter is necessary. Just a bit. Perhaps more. Look how beautiful that butter is. The butter is in the fridge, so I'm using cooking oil instead. Just enough to avoid adhesion. That sounds too technical. Just enough to keep the cake from sticking into the pan. Or sticking to the pan. To spread the oil a bit. And we're ready for the first crepe. Medium, just medium. I'm afraid I put lots of oil. This is not good. Here. It's not perfect, but this is the first batch. We'll do it better this time. with the right fire, with a good amount of oil. Let's just tilt the pan to spread the butter or batter. It's now solid, it's time to turn it over. This is what we wanted. Look how glorious that can be.
And instead of tilting to spread the batter, you can do this. Just slightly glide the ladle and even up by retouching.
I'm done with the first batch, and we'll do our first version of Ube Crepe roll. It's easy. I just spread
halaya on my ube pancake or crepe.
Look at that beautiful color. The violet or the purple over the yellow. I don't expect the halaya to be this hard. It should be softer.
I should have warmed the halaya a bit to make it more spreadable.
This should be okay now, and we will roll.
See how easy, just spread and roll. And if you're finding the instructional value of this video, as well as its entertainment value, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, do not miss uploads every Sunday. And to reveal the spirals, let's cut it, just like cutting sushi.
These are not attractive, so no. Really good. One more. Ube crepe rolls, or do they look like rolls? Ube crepe rosettes. It's really good. Easy. Now it's time to enjoy the rest, and we'll just eat them as they are. I mean, no fancy and playful presentation like this.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate you joining me here today. I hope you had fun and had some learning. Until next time, and see you on the next video.